I got this threaded in and Loctite. Now the 1374, can't grab it. No thread. This is too far up into the filter. I had a 1085 on here before. There wasn't a spacer under that to hold it out. Okay, right there, I got a thread. I don't even get a full turn. Oil filter, easy out. I need a spacer under here, at least 1/4 of an inch long, to give me some threads. 1/4 of an inch spacer, pulls it out. Almost perfect here. That there starts the thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 turns, and it's tight. A 1085 gold Napa filter.